Hi everyone, welcome back to another Outway video. Today we are going to go over managing your team members in Outway. This is going to cover how to add new members after you've already created your account, as well as changing their access level. So here we're on the map. I'm going to go to the members tab, and you can see the only person in this team right now is me. So I'm going to go click the edit button, and here you'll see a big button that says add team member, and you're just gonna put their email in. Your team member will then get a invite email and can go ahead and sign up and create their account from there. Once they do that, they will show up under the active members tab. You can go in and add as many members as you'd like. A lot of times we will have teams who have seasonal employees, and you may want to make them inactive when they're not working. You can also do that right here. That's it for our team member management. Let us know what videos you'd like to see in the future, and thank you for watching.